Alright, in this video, we'll be solving linear equations with brackets, alright? Linear equations with brackets. This is how to go about it. The first thing you are to do is to clear the brackets, alright? So you first have to clear the brackets, open the bracket, do your expansion, and then solve like normal equation, alright? So first we have to clear the brackets, right? So when you have this kind of expression, how do you expand it? Okay, you're going to take the number outside the bracket and then distribute it to the ones inside. So you multiply each term inside the bracket by the one you have outside. So that means I'm going to do 2 times x and then also do 2 times 3. All right, and taking note of the directions too, taking note of the signs. Okay, so if I have minus, then I know I also need to do minus times plus, right? Okay, so that is very clear. That's the first thing to do when you want to solve this kind of equation. Open the brackets, all right? There are other methods you could use, but I want us to use the expansion first, all right? Okay, so let's do that. So 2 times x is 2x, and then 2 times 3 is 6, right? 2 times 3 is 6, right? That means we have cleared the brackets. No more brackets. And that equals 10. So the next thing is for us to collect the like terms, bring the constants together, and then we have only the variable on this side. Okay, so on this side we have 2x, and the other side we have 10. We're taking positive 6 to the other side now. That means we're subtracting 6 from both sides, right? So that means it goes to the other side to become a negative 6, right? So 2x here now will be equal to 10 minus 6, 4. All right. Okay, so at this point, what's the next step? We divide both sides by the coefficient of x, and the coefficient of x here is what? 2. So divide both sides by 2. Okay, so 2 takes 2. We will have only one x left. That's what we're looking for. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. So our answer is 2, right? So I'll show you another method. If you don't want to use, let's say you don't want to expand the brackets, all right? And then this is just the kind of equation you have, then you can use this method. So I'll call it method 2, right? Okay, so I'll call it method 2. So in this method, you will not need to expand the bracket or open the bracket. So x plus 3 equals 10. So since this 2 is multiplying the whole of this, we first divide both sides by 2. Okay, so we divide both sides by 2. So this 2 will take out the 2. We have only x plus 3. You see, we don't even need to open the brackets, right? And then 10 divided by 2 is 5. So the next thing is for us to subtract 3 from both sides. So if we subtract 3 from both sides, it means we're taking this 3 to the other side and it becomes a negative. All right. So 5 minus 3, that's 2. Can you see? We have the same answer, right? But we still have to do our check. We still have to do our what? Our check. So how do we check? We put the value of 2 back into the equation. So the equation is 2 into x plus 3. So we have x as 2 now, plus 3. And then let's see if that will give us 10. So this is 2 into 2 plus 3 is 5, right? So 2 times 5, 10. Easy peasy, right? So that means our solution is correct. Thank you. Do well to go over the video again. And then if you're having issues with this, you can contact us for one-on-one coaching. That's something we do very well, okay? All right. Please go over the video and attempt the question in the comments. Thank you. Bye.